Hello children, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Chapter number 8, Flying High, Part 4. Today we are going to discuss about uses of feet, sounds of birds, then about the nest, how they make nest, what are the things required for making a nest. Then also we will see different types of nest and migratory birds. We will learn about all these things in this video. First of all children, how we have legs? Birds have feet. Okay, birds have feet. How they use these feet? All birds have 2 feet on which they stand, walk or hop around and hold their food or things. Whatever things they need, they use their feet to hold it. Whenever they are standing or walking or hopping, they use their feet to do these things. Okay, see different types of feet, children. All birds don't have similar types of feet. All are having different types of feet. Each foot has 4 toes with a claw at the end. 3 toes point forward. How is it? 3 toes point toward the forward and 1 point towards the backward. How many are there? 4 toes, 3 in the front and 1 turns toward the backward. Okay, faces toward the backward. Different birds have different types of feet. All birds are not having same type of feet. All birds are having different types of feet. Here you can see this bird. What it is showing to us? Its tongue. Right? What is the use of it? Let's see. Birds have a tongue which they use to make sounds. Every bird makes a special sound. We can rectify them or identify them with the help of sound. We can identify birds by their sound. Let's see a small video on these different types of birds' sound.
Cardinal, crow, duck, eagle, goose, owl, parrot, peacock, seagull, sparrow, and woodpecker.
See, it's a parrot and the next one is parakeet. It's another bird. It's have speciality. What is the speciality, children? They can copy human sound and they can talk like us. You might recall my first video. There you have heard that small video about the parrot, how he was recalling the words of mother, right? And similarly, you can find that parrots can imitate our voice or they can imitate words like us. They can copy us. Birds like nightingales, cuckoo and myna make sweet sound. They make sweet sound. Here it's a picture of cocoon. And the next is nightingale. They sing very nicely. The sound is quite sweeter. Home of birds are called nest. Birds lay eggs in the nest. They stay in the nest till their chicks are old enough to fly and find food on their own. Means till the time they are younger enough, they are staying in the nest. Mother bird take care of those small chicks eggs in the nest. See a picture about the nest and the bird, how it has kept its eggs safely in the nest. Materials required for making a nest. Birds make their nest with straw, leaves, twigs, cotton, thread, wool, etc. They use many different things to make nest. Birds make their nest on trees, in balconies, and in any place where it is safe for predators and bad weather. They make in such an area where they can stay safely, okay, from the enemies. See the next one, children. It's a very innovative nest. It's a nest of a weaver bird. You can find that this nest they makes in such a way that its face is towards the downside. Yes, from there they get inside. Weaver birds use leaves, grass and twigs to build their nest. Their nest has a narrow tunnel like opening at the bottom. That I said that downside there is a face of getting inside the nest. It is very innovative, right? Yes. This is a nest of a penguin. See how they have kept a pebbles beside it and they are staying on it or laying their eggs on it. Penguins make their nest using pebbles. And woodpecker make nest with the help of its beak. They keep on stucking or keep on cutting the wood of a tree trunk, and then they are making a hole, and then inside there they lay eggs and they grow their young ones over there. See the next one, children. It's a tailor bird nest. It is also very different. Tailor birds use their needle-shaped beak for stitching leaf for making their nest, and they grow their young one over there and also lay egg inside it. Yes, now let's see the next one, children. Some birds travel very long distance in search of good weather and raise their young ones over there. Means for few days or few period they move from one place to another because of weather condition. Okay, they cannot stay in that weather, so they move from one place to another. Especially in winter season we can find this, that in winter some birds fly from the colder areas to warm places, and in summer they fly back. This process is called migration. You have seen in chapter number, yes, Chotu's house, right? Chapter number 5. You have seen that migration. Whom do we call migrator? A person who moves from one place to another. Similarly, in birds also, birds move from one place to another because of bad weather. The birds that migrate are called migratory birds. Example, Siberian crane and blue throat, etc. It is Siberian crane and this is blue throat. Let's have a recap on today's video. Birds use feet for standing, hopping, walking and holding things or foods. Different birds have different types of feet. All are not having same, all are having different. Birds use different materials to make their nest. Even their way of nest is also, pattern of nest is also different. Different birds make different sounds. Even their sounds are not same. It is different. Birds which migrate are called migratory birds. The birds which travel from one place to another for what is the cause? Because of bad weather. Those birds are known as migratory birds. Yes, children, it's a chance of assessment right now. You're going to write these question answers in your EVS copy. And after that, send it to your subject teacher for checking. The home of the bird is called as dash. What it is called as? Den, kennel, nest or all. Which one, children? You have to write the correct answer. Okay, now let's see the next one. Question number 2. Birds use their dash to make sound. Recall the video, what you have seen, what they use to make sound. Is it tongue? Is it feet? Is it feathers or all? Which one, children? Recall the video. If you will recall it, you can write the answer. Very good. Yes. Third one. Dash make their nest using pebbles. Who used to make nest with the help of pebbles? Is it peacock, penguin, duck or all of them? Which one, children? Yes. Very good. Write it. Okay. Now let's see few question answers. Birds build nest. Name any 4 things which birds use to make their nest. You have to write any 4 things which is used by birds to make nest. Second question. Weaver birds build nest in an innovative way. Mention it. You have to write. How is it? What is the specialty about weaver birds nest? Okay, you will write it. Okay, question number 3. It is the last question for today. Siberian crane is known as migratory bird. Why? Why it is known as so? You have to write the reason. Okay, children, for today this much. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Listen to your parents and elders. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Practice yoga or daily exercise. Without fail, you have to do this to make yourself more fit. Okay, whenever you get chance, opportunity to play with your siblings, your brothers, your mom or dad. Okay, thank you, children.